C'est bon, on arrive, on est en train de jouer du tambour à 3 là.
Yo! Yeah, I'm so sorry for that fucking kill. It was totally a fucking accident. I was all tapped out of the game. Yeah, I'm I'm so sorry. I did not mean for that kill. I did not mean for that kill. I literally was all tapped out of the game when I clicked back in. Just right, that's what happened. We need 2 more people to come over here and play with us.
Faut,
No,
faut que
no,
tu viennes jouer du tambour. Hein.
I'm so sorry about that kill. Like 100%. Like I'm so sorry. I was all tapped out. I'll tap
Il y a
back
un
in.
dragon, mais on est que 4.
I'm so
Ah,
sorry.
ça
I'm
marche.
so sorry.
Ça marche.
Oh, here we go.
Je suis dans l'autre bateau là.
Alright, boys, this is what we trained for. Let's do this.
Il était devant, mais
Your
là,
backside, far galleon, your backside, far galleon, your backside.
ah, il est devant là.
Go repair, I'll go repair, I'll go repair.
Elle a détruit le.
Good, we're good. Dude, still, dude, I did not mean to fucking just off you like that. Nah, it's like the Pirates of the Caribbean scene where they get married while the ship was getting sank. Going over to repair. I'm going over to help with the sloop. Coming over, sloop. Keep repairing, keep repairing, keep repairing. Keep repairing, sloop, keep repairing.
Return to the galleon. Repair, 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 repair.
Ça va, vous avez pas trop subi.
Sloop besides excess water, you guys are backing up and operational. Keep shooting.
Bailing water, bailing water. Repair the galleon.
Be back. Coming over, galleon. Oh shit! Oh, he's fucking pissed.
Oh,
He's sucking my dick right now.
We've got holes.
Non.
I'll water out.
Oh,
I'll water out.
putain.
One person repair.
Dans les barrels, il y a plus de planches.
Just grabbing some planks, boys. I'm off to the next one. Just grabbing some planks. I'm off to the next one.
Ah, il revient, il revient.
It's all repaired, it's all repaired.
Fucker just looked me in the eyes and said he's gonna fucking eat my ass.
Sharks over near us. Yeah, I know.
Shoot me. Hold up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, in the face.
Là, il est en train de
Shoot
me
me.
mort avant.
He's stuck.
Shoot me in the other galleon. Hold on, shoot me in the other galleon.
Galions, light up.
Ah, vous l'avez bloqué.
Shoot me in the other galleon. Good shot, good shot.
Blast that thing into oblivion. Yeah, we're blasting the cannons.
Boys, I'm coming. Keep repairing that bitch. Keep repairing.
Blast it. Got nothing here. Where's he gone?
Ouais, il était bloqué. Vous avez toujours
Your
coulé.
guys, this right side. Right side.
Oh, il arrive sur le...
Alright, boys, I'm going down for repairs. Keep up the morale.
Le sloop.
We pull this boat back round, lads. Get it back in formation, come on. Got this.
Il est à l'avant de notre galion.
Shoot me in the sloop. Quick, at the sloop, the small boat.
The shark is coming. He's
We've got
coming
to bring his
for us.
galleon back over to the others. We're going to get a bit far
Ouais,
out.
il arrive sur vous, je crois.
Let's get his boat back over to the others. Put down the sails a little bit. That's
Sloop
it.
boys, don't worry, sloop boys, I got you.
Back over. Oh, no.
Ah non, il arrive sur nous.
boat again.
Sur le sloop.
Right, start pulling up the sails nice and slow, lads.
Oh, il arrive sur le sloop.
Right, pull the
Shark
sails
is
up,
coming.
boys, on this boat.
Où est-ce qu'il est?
That's it, we're back in. Left hand side of the big other galleon.
Ouais.
Going towards the small boat. There
It's
goes,
attacking
down
the
boat again.
sloop.
Small boat. Go back of ours. No, one. Great dice, lost. Go on side of our boat, lads.
On va en chercher. Oh.
And the back of ours.
Oh. Ah, il est devant notre...
Back of ours. By the back of ours. We near to dead, it's gotta be. It's taking so much health.
Here it
Go
comes.
for us again. Yellow on top of the galleon, shoot it. Dead. Is he dead? Oh, Ted's got tough.
Nope, front of your galleon, far galleon. Between sloop and galleon.
Last call outs.
Cannon.
Use the
Heads,
cannons.
good
shoot
heads.
the cannons.
Get 'em, boys!
Line him up with the cannons.
Oh
Dark cannon. We're spinning.
Whoa.
Whoa. Prepare the other
là,
galleon.
là, oh, j'ai moins de la moitié de ma vie.
Might be a bad choice right now, but I'm in the water with this fucking thing.
We need help
Yep,
with the other
he's
galleon
pissed.
quick. On that galleon next to the sloop, quick. Filling up. Really
The
quick.
shark.
Oh, Galleon, start repairing whatever Galleon I'm on right now. Guys going down hard, guys going down hard.
Putain, j'ai plus rien.
Don't know why my fucking voice chat didn't work
Attacking
there.
the Galleon.
Oh. I got it.
The right side in front. We did it! Yeah!
He actually do it? Is he actually dead?
Yeah! Return to Merrick.
Now we gotta go back
Can
to
you
Merrick,
stand on his
boys.
corpse?
Yo, everybody, yo, let's all pile. Yo, let's all pile on one ship. Let's go back together.
Yeah, sure.
On a fini?
Maybe that way we can actually, you know, like
Merrick.
steer a ship and control it properly. Cough, cough.
So who we got? What boat we going on?
Let's go to that one. Let's go. Actually, let's get the sloop. Let's go on the sloop.
Yeah!
We'll go on the sloop then, alright?
Yo, sloop boys.
Sloop.
J'ai fini
We
là?
all pile onto your sloop and have a party to go back to Merrick.
T'as dit quoi? Non, je veux pas de récompense.
I fell off, so I'm just gonna assume
Ah si,
that's a
ah
yes.
si. Si, j'ai la récompense, vous avez vaincu l'infamie là.
So
Retournez
fucking
voir-
sharks.
Retournez voir Merrick.
The big sharks don't leave our ships. If you pull out, you get in front of our ship a little bit. That'll be why. Yeah, I saw.
Oh,
Whoa!
alright.
Sloops are leaving us.
Yo, sloop bros, wait, can we pile on your ship to go see Merrick again? Have a party.
Right, okay. Bring our boat if
Bros.
you need
Yeah, nah, it seems like they're fucking off. Yo, everybody on this galleon, everybody pile on this galleon, let's do this thing. Let's have a party going back to Merrick, whatever the fuck his name is.
You don't have to. You might as well just jump on this galleon, babe.
Come on, it's a party!
Our galleon, yeah. No, their galleon, should I say.
Is this everybody? Well, except those boys who fucked off like immediately. To get sharked?
Oh dear. Yeah, Triple, take this boat. I'm gonna go and get mine. Only because Mrs. keeps dying. Alright?
Well,